How to check your blood sugar. 1. Attach the test strip to the glucometer. Take a new test strip from the packaging. 2. Prepare a launching device. Replace the piercing tool cap and adjust the piercing depth 1 to 5 depending on the thickness of the skin. 3. Take a blood sample. If enough blood does not come out, press or massage gently. Don't be too hard because it can mix body fluid and affect the result. 4. Blood sugar test. Place the tip of the test strip on the blood drop until the strip absorbs enough blood. 5. Record the measurement result. Good morning, mister. I'll check your blood sugar. Have you eaten recently?
No, I haven't.
Okay, please give me a figure. Just be relaxed, okay? Okay, your blood sugar is 100 and 110 milligram, which is your normal.
That's good. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Keep a healthy lifestyle, okay? Just call me if you feel unwell.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Hello, good morning, Miss Adis. Good morning. I checked your blood sugar. Have you ever recently?
No, I haven't.
Here.